the use of a transition object. So this is something you physically hold when you are transitioning from one activity to the next. I've had a lot of success with it at preschools. Say it's time to transition from outside to inside. Maybe there's their favorite stuffed animal at the door, so they get to pick it up, hold it, transition from outside to inside. Physically holding something that's familiar that they use every time during that transition can help them visually and tactily bring more awareness to the transition. This is something I hold every time. I can give it a hug. Maybe it's a little bit heavy, so they can really get some deep pressure input. That can be a little bit calming to hold with them from one thing to the next.
That is a really great tool that I have actually not utilized. So I love that you mentioned that, because I'll definitely try having parents try that out. And I'm thinking of a few kids that would be really great. They have maybe a favorite stuffed animal that they like to have with them throughout their day. And I think it would be nice just to add that in naturally to the routines.
Some transition objects just can come very naturally for the setting. For example, when kids were leaving to go to school, carry your backpack as you're going out the door to school. It could even be, okay, now we're transitioning to schoolwork. Get your favorite eraser, your favorite pencil, and hold that with you as you transition into the schoolwork portion of the day at home.